Skyline Skills is a consortium of professionals who have come together to share their knowledge and experience. The topic is relevant to the entrepreneurs and managers who are not required to have accounting background. Similarly, the information provided in the video is equally useful for students studying accounting as subject. So let us start our topic. Bank reconciliation statement. Why required? It identifies difference between balance as per bank book and balance as per bank statement. It rarely happens in practice that the bank balance as shown by the bank book agrees with the balance as appearing in the bank statement. Therefore, a reconciliation statement is prepared to ensure accuracy of the record. The main difference is of timing difference. It is a difference of date/time between initiating a transaction by the account holder and its completing by the bank. For this we have an example. You can see bank book and Habib Bank Limited bank statement. On 1st January 2021, opening balance as per bank book was 25,000 rupees, while as per bank statement it was 20,000. Then on 15th January 2021, the company received a check from A&M Company. Check was of Faisal Bank Limited. The company debited it as 40,000 and balance became 65,000. While on 2nd January 2021, inward check was cleared for 5,000, so the bank balance became 25,000. The check received on 15th January was immediately deposited, and it took 3 days for clearance of the check since the banks were different. So on 18th February 2021, inward check was rupees 40,000, so the balance became 65,000. So you can see that as per bank book, the balance was 65,000 rupees on 15th January, while in the bank statement the 65,000 rupees balance was appearing on 18th February after clearance of the check. Similarly, the company issued a check to Mr. Bilal on 29th February 2021 and the balance became 39,500. The check was cleared on 1st March 2021 and the balance on 1st March 2021 was 39,500. But on 30th June 2021, 29th February 2021, the balance as per bank book was 39,500, while the balance as per bank statement was 65,000. So 25,500 rupees became the reconciliation item as on 29th February 2021. So why prepare a reconciliation statement? Benefits. Most important benefit is that the management knows what actual balance is available for issuing further checks. Balance as per bank book or bank statement individually do not provide complete financial status. So there may be some checks issued to vendors but are not in courier or in clearing. They will not be appearing in bank statement. Similarly, direct deductions from bank such as lease installments or errors in books may lead to wrong status on a particular date in the bank book. Hence, bank reconciled is the only true picture for making decisions. Similarly, bank book is updated and reconciled regularly, so it acts as internal audit tool. Errors, omissions and shortfalls in bank book are identified timely. Detecting fraud. If a cashier or the accountant is involved in some fraudulent act, the bank reconciliation statement sometimes reveals such movements which helps in detecting the fraud. The components and treatment. First of all, we will discuss the modus operandi. After making all corrections in the bank book, the net balance is matched with the bank statement. In order to do this, uncredited checks are deducted from balance as per bank book. Unpresented checks are added to the balance as per bank book. Thus, we arrive at balance as per bank statement. The format is given below. The uncredited checks are deducted because they were previously added to the balance, while the unpresented checks were deducted from the balance, so they are added back. Difference identified. Number 1, timing difference. Uncredited checks. Checks received and deposited in bank but not yet cleared. They will increase the balance in bank only after they are cleared. So, they become reconciliation item. Unpresented checks issued by a company reducing the balance but not presented by a vendor or in process of clearing. So, they will also be act as reconciliation item. In this slide, we will discuss the differences identified, internal issues, errors and omissions. Bank book need to be corrected through adjusting entry. Checks dishonored, reversal in bank book is required because they will have no effect in bank statement. Checks in hand, checks prepared but not issued due to some reason or another cannot be used in reconciliation since they have not reached the bank yet. The third type of differences are identified through bank. Direct deposits. Entry is made in bank book after receipt of a bank statement. For instance, a company directly deposits the check in the bank instead of providing the check to the company. Bank charges and direct payments. If we have a leasing going on with the bank, they deduct the minimum amount or lease amount on a monthly basis, which will appear in bank statement on the date it is deducted, and if the bank book will be updated accordingly. So, these are the differences which can occur, and only two type of items as given in slide 1 will be reconciliation items. Let us move to the practical example. Company TAP closes its accounts on 30th June 2021 and internal audit reveals following differences. Check received rupees 10,000 from Tahir and Company is dishonored. Bank charged rupees 300 for dishonored check. A debtor has directly deposited rupees 20,000 in bank. Checks issued to vendors is not presented yet. Check number 1 2,000, check number 2 3,000 and check number 3 10,000. Check of rupees 2,000 is entered as rupees 20,000. Check in clearing is 30,000 rupees. Balance as per bank is rupees 250,000, while as per bank statement it is rupees 262,700. So, next our first step will be to update our bank book. So, we take balance as per bank book 250,000, we will add direct deposits 20,000, we will reverse the errors 18,000. So, our bank book becomes 288,000. We will deduct the checks dishonored 10,000 and bank charges will be deducted from the balance. So, our revised bank balance becomes 277,700 rupees. Now, we move on to the bank reconciliation. TAPS Company Bank Reconciliation Statement as on 30th June 2021. Revised balance as per bank book 277,700. Checks issued but remain unpresented. These checks were previously deducted from the balance in the bank book, so they are now being reversed. So 15,000 is added. Less check received but is not cleared yet. The company received the check of 30,000 and added in it in the balance as per bank book. However, it is not cleared in the bank yet, so it is reversed and reduces the balance. So balance as per bank statement becomes 262,700 and balance as per bank book becomes 262,700. Previously we saw in the question the balance as per bank statement is 262,700. So now the balance as per bank statement and balance as per bank book are same. Thanks for watching. Please follow us at our YouTube channel, which is Skyline Skills, and our web address is skylineskills.com, where you can also see some additional material.